One common problem that many students struggle with is how to manage and include citations for the papers that they submit to important journals. Most journals nowadays ask you to submit your paper content as Word documents in the docx format. While Microsoft Word has some built-in options to manage references, those options can be very cumbersome to use. You require a proper citation manager to manage your citations very quickly. Fortunately, there are two very good citation managers, ZOTERO and Mendeley. In this video, I'll show you how to use the ZOTERO Citation Manager with Microsoft Word to quickly manage your references for the papers you submit to reputed journals such as IEEE. ZOTERO is a downloadable citation manager that integrates with Microsoft Word, LibreOffice, or Google Docs. It's also available as a plugin for your browser, which means that if you're reading a journal article on the web, you can add it to your sources with one click. How convenient is that? Let's now look at how to use ZOTERO. The first thing you need to do is install the ZOTERO downloadable software. To install ZOTERO, visit zotero.org, click on the download button. Let's start by installing the downloadable software and browser plugin. We now need to set up ZOTERO. When you open the ZOTERO application, you're going to see a collection named My Library. This is where all of the sources that you've gathered are listed. To add a new source, you can click on this item that says Add Item. Select the type of item, such as book or journal article. You will then see a pane to the right where you can enter details about that item. Clicking to the right of any field allows you to edit that field and add a value for it. After you're done adding fields to your source, press the Enter key. You'll see the source added to your library. If you're adding a journal article, then you do not need manually type in information in all of the fields. This is where the power of ZOTERO really shines. Next to the Add Item icon, you're going to see this icon, Add Items by Identifier. If you have an ISBN code or any other identifying information related to your journal article, you can search by that identifier. ZOTERO is going to find it and add it for you. A third way to add a journal article is to open that journal article in your browser. With the article open, click on the ZOTERO plugin icon at the top right and choose where you want to save that source. That source gets added to your library. Now that we have added our sources in ZOTERO, let's see how to insert the citation in Microsoft Word. When you open Microsoft Word, you should see a new menu item called ZOTERO. To include a citation, go to the location in your document where you want to insert the citation. Click on ZOTERO, Add/Edit Citation. You can choose the citation style to use, such as American Psychological Association or Chicago. Alternatively, you can choose the style later by clicking on Document Preferences and choosing your desired citation style. Then start searching for your citation by typing a few words. Click on Enter. You'll see your citation added in Microsoft Word. Now you might wonder, is there an easy way to add a bibliography of references in Word? This is very straightforward to do as well. Click on the location where you want to insert your bibliography of citations. Click on ZOTERO, select Add/Edit Bibliography. You will now see a list of your citations in Microsoft Word. Well, if you previously found it difficult to manage your citations in Microsoft Word, this video should help you manage them very easily by using the ZOTERO Citation Manager. If you found this video useful, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.